Hey guys, welcome back to DroidCrunch. I'm Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we are going to talk about how we can create websites using Canva. It is a very straightforward process and you can customize all the elements, you can customize images, you can customize the sections and everything using Canva, and it's very easy. If you know Canva, you can create websites. Right now it is a very easy process, so we will delve in and see how we can create that. First of all, just go to canva.com and here you will find this section over here called website, or you can just go to the search bar and search for website and you will find over here this section website. Just click on it and you will find tons of templates. These are the pre-built templates. You can choose any of these. You can filter them based on your need, whether you want a specific style, minimalistic, simple, professional, colorful. There are plenty of them. When you click on view more, then there are some themes to choose from, whether business, black, corporate, pink, photo, website, whatever. You also have some features that you want in your website, whether it is an animation, video in your website, class, okay, subject, topic, and all of these things are there, so you can easily filter them. Not only this, you can also apply niche of filters, whether style, themes here as well. And when filtered, you will find the templates based on the set filters, and I will choose one of these filters. Maybe this one you can choose, or let's quickly choose a theme. Okay, let's go with a landing page, and here we have these templates over here, and let's choose this one instead. Here you can see how your site will look like. It is a preview. You can scroll and see all the sections, and when you are satisfied with the preview, it looks good, you can go ahead and customize this template by clicking on this button over here, or you can choose other items that are similar to this one. So I will quickly customize this template instead, and when you click on it, it will open up in the next tab, and when loaded fully, you will be able to customize it. So here's the logo. You can change it, replace it with your own logo. You can change the colors based on your branding, based on your own website colors, or based on your client requirements, whatever the need is. Then you can change the font from here, and you can also change the customize the size of the font, color of the font, whether bold, italic, or underline. All the options that you find in Canva are available in making the website templates as well. You can change the images, or you can also create sections by your own. If you want to add them, you can do that. These are like all the options. You can add a duplicate page as well. So you can add pages from here as well. Just click on it and you'll be able to add new pages in your website, like sections. Control Z, and you can also go over here, design, and you can choose pages from here as well if you want to. And some of the templates also have videos and animations as well, and that look pretty exciting. All you have to do for the links is just click on the buttons over here and right click on it, and you will find this link option over here, and the shortcut key for the same is Ctrl+K. Just click on it and you will be able to input your URL. I'm just using google.com, and display mode is set to link, and hit over here, done. So now when you publish the page, if the user clicks on this button, he will be redirected to the link that you set over here. And when done editing this entire page, you can go here, publish website, and you can resize on mobile, include navigation menu as well, and customize the URL for this as well. I will say it home 2 because I've already created home 1. So there's some published settings as well, where you can include the website description. It is a SEO description that is displayed on Google search result pages, and you need to make it short and make it concise as well, and keep it under 160 characters of length. Here are some advanced settings to make the website page password protected, and enable search engine usability or enable link preview, whether disabled or enabled. Link preview is nothing but when you share the page on some social media sites, it is helpful only then, whether it is Slack, whether it is WhatsApp or some other services. So it is by default not disabled, you can disable it as well. So just hit on publish website when you are done, and it will take a little bit of time, only a few seconds, and your page will be ready and hosted on Canva's server. And here you can see, just click on this view website button, and this is the website that will be ready. So all with pages, all sections, all images are there, and you can click on this button over here. We had set it to google.com and it opened like that. The same way you can give link to these icons as well. Just go over here and edit design, come over here and set a link, say https facebook.com/DroidCrunch. Done, and now it is ready. So you will need to republish the website when done, because you've already published it first time. The page will be updated when the process is completed, and voila, now it is ready. Let us reload this over here, and now you can see that we have a link on this button over here. Okay, so this is how it works, and you can create not only these kind of website, but also your portfolios, link in bios. Okay, the website that you use on your social medias pretty often, in your Instagram bio, or that you can create easily with Canva and customize based on your need, because services that you use often come with some cost, or often come with some advertisement that your users may not like or like. But yeah, this is a very straightforward method to create websites, and you don't have to spend a penny. You don't have to look back and forth about coding, or you don't need any coding experience for customizing the pages. All you have to do is do a better editing in the graphics, or you can also use the templates that are available on Canva library. So this was very useful, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel for watching more videos like this. If you have any questions, you can ask in comments, and I will try my best to respond to you as soon as possible. And so yeah, please hit the bell icon as well, so you get notified about new uploads. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next one.